A list of healthy foods for liver health and cleansing. The liver is one of the most important internal organs in the body, performing over 500 bodily functions. It is around the size of a football and is important for storing vitamins, making hormones, removing toxins, building up proteins and many more. If you have a pot belly, then it is likely that you have a fatty liver. In the worst cases of liver damage, you may also have yellow eyes, itching of the hands and bottoms of the feet, or right shoulder pain. The good news is that the liver is the only internal organ that can completely regenerate and heal itself. In today's video, we will share with you a list of 16 foods for liver health. These foods contain the nutrients that are needed to cleanse and heal the liver over time. Let's take a look at some of these foods. 1. Kale. This is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods which is packed full of liver-healing compounds. Bitter leafy greens like kale have the ability to trigger phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification of the liver. 2. Radish. Radishes contain a powerful antioxidant which helps the liver to detox harmful chemicals out of the body. It contains a special compound which breaks toxins down into small particles and removes them from the liver and blood. 3. Apple cider vinegar. If you have a pot belly, then it is likely you have a fatty liver. Drink 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals. This helps the body to quickly strip away visceral fat from around the liver. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli and broccoli sprouts contain sulforaphane and other phytochemicals which improve liver function and allow it to heal. They stimulate enzymes which detoxify the liver of toxins. 5. Coconut oil. Deep fried foods cause a high amount of damage to the liver, so switch from your usual cooking oils to extra virgin coconut oil. This contains MCTs which takes the stress off the liver, allowing it to heal. 6. Turmeric. One of nature's most powerful natural healing spices. This is used heavily in India for delicious curries. It acts as an anti-inflammatory and an overall healer for the internal organs. 7. Collard greens. These leaves are also in the Cruciferous family like kale and contain lots of phytochemicals, vitamins and minerals which support a healthy liver. Leafy vegetables are vital when it comes to improving the health of the liver. 8. Sea kelp. Most people are deficient in an important mineral called iodine. This is responsible for making thyroid hormones which work with the liver to control the body's metabolism. Sea kelp is rich in iodine and helps the liver with its hormonal processes. 9. Asparagus. This delicious vegetable helps to cleanse both the liver and the kidneys. It contains a high number of antioxidants and saponins. These have been shown to help protect the liver from cancer. 10. Brussels sprouts. Sprouts help the liver to produce more enzymes that break down toxins. These also help the liver to store more fat-soluble vitamins for use in the future. 11. Beetroot. Another important vegetable which contains betalains and other compounds that reduce inflammation and protect the liver from free radical damage. 12. Garlic. This bulb is used worldwide as a natural antiviral remedy. Eating garlic often supplies the body with allicin and selenium, which aid in liver cleansing. Garlic also stimulates bile to take the pressure off the liver during digestion. 13. Parsley. Parsley is one of the best herbs for detoxifying the body of harmful substances like alcohol or pesticides. It helps the body to control blood sugar levels and prevents degeneration in the liver. 14. Mustard greens. To strengthen the liver, you should eat at least 2 cups of leafy green cruciferous vegetables each day. Mustard greens are high in potassium, which strengthens the overall body and prevents detox symptoms. 15. Avocado. These healthy fruits are a great source of glutathione. This helps the liver to filter out harmful substances and protects the cells from damage. The high potassium prevents the liver from building up fatty deposits. 16. Mineral water. Cut out sugary drinks and switch to a high-quality mineral water, preferably from a volcanic source. Drinking mineral water each day helps to flush the body and provide trace minerals for the liver's functions. As you can see, there are many foods that you can eat which will improve the health of your liver. Leafy green cruciferous vegetables are vital when it comes to cleansing the liver and healing the body. We highly recommend avoiding alcohol and deep-fried foods, as these are the leading cause of liver disease and a fatty liver. Kombucha tea is an excellent alternative to alcohol and helps you to feel relaxed without the harmful effects. Extra virgin coconut oil and olive oil are wonderful alternatives. Be sure to stay away from hydrogenated oils, as these are very damaging. If you have liver disease, then it can take a very long time to heal the liver. Eating nutrient-dense foods such as these will heal the organ over time. To learn more about nutrition and detoxification, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.